tweet about a question that we talked about earlier.
Okay.
They wanted a little bit more detail about hospital bills and medical bills if your child was injured at school. So we kind of talked about that, but again, there are child injuries that occur at school. I know you were talking about a case that you had recently that involved a school playground, and a child, I think, had a fall, which is a common occurrence, and you wouldn't know whether or not someone like a school system would be held responsible for something like that. But in fact, there are ways to do that, isn't it?
Well, that's right. Playgrounds are places where kids get injured all the time. I mean, I watch my kids at the playground like you do and think all the time that something bad could happen, and it happens at schools too. The schools and any kind of playground maintainers, anybody that owns a playground and keeps a playground up, has got to follow certain standards. And again, the Consumer Product Safety Commission's got a handbook on playgrounds that talks about the kinds of things that you got to do to keep playgrounds safe, from the maintenance of the equipment perspective, and also from what you land on if you fall perspective. When I was a kid, you fell on rocks. That's what we had on our playgrounds. But now what they've got on playgrounds, or what they're supposed to have on playgrounds, is either mulch or remediated tires to provide you with a soft landing. In case you're talking about, this little girl broke her back because she fell onto rocks on a playground, and that shouldn't have been there.
Right.